If you're looking for window graphics with colors brighter than a 1980s music video, then we have the product for you. I'm CJ Forker, and in today's LexJet reviews, I'm giving you all the details about LexJet WR window graphic film. It's a water-resistant white polypropylene film that's perfect for attention-getting, vibrant graphics. Usually, you'll see this in store windows or point-of-purchase signage because the smooth white finish minimizes glare. LexJet WR window graphic film comes with a low-tack adhesive that makes installation easy and allows the graphic to be repositioned, removed, and even reused without any issues. We have an installation guide on LexJet.com where you can use wet or dry application techniques that leave very little, if any, bubbling. Because this product is good for producing vibrant and colorful graphics, it's ideal with aqueous and latex technology. If you have questions about LexJet WR window graphic film or any of our window products, our team is standing by for you. Just call 800-453-9538 and we'll be happy to help.